guys, this is Mrs. Gastler, and in this video we're going to talk about how to calculate velocity. Actually, there's several things you can calculate, not just velocity, but we're going to get started here by talking about some of the symbols you're going to see before we start looking at how we use these symbols and do the math. Okay, so to begin with, I've got all the symbols across the top up here. You can see the XF and the XI and the delta X and the T and the V. Those are the letters. That triangle we've seen before because we already talked about finding the change in position. That change in position is how we calculate with the velocity. Okay, so to begin with, XF is the final position. We measure it in meters, and remember that's where it ends. XI is the initial position, also measured in meters, and that's where it starts. Delta X, that triangle X, is the change in position, also measured in meters, and that's how far it goes, or how far it is from where it started. T, hopefully you can guess, is for time, and that's measured in seconds. That's how long it is moving. And V is for velocity. We measure that in meters per second. When we write that out, what that's going to look like is whoa, hello, that's really big. Let me make that a smaller writing utensil there. Meters per second is how we write that, M/S. And that's how fast it's going and which way. So it either has a positive or a negative on it to show which way it's going. Okay, so those are the symbols that we use.